You see, I'm like this bird. This bird out of the flock is not doing well. It didn't fare well. Instead of focusing on all the other ones, Abba cared about me like this bird. Abba then said, well, I got other ones, so I ain't worried about this one. No. Messiah left the 99 for me. I'm the prodigal son. Messiah went out of his way for me. I'm the prodigal son. So no matter where you feel like you are in your life, just know that the Most High wants to love you like that too. Even when you act up, shalom.